Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Basically, the introduction is to tell us basically about chlorine. First of all, we know that chlorine is an element that occurs in group 7. In group 7 of the periodic table. It is a nonmetallic element. Is a nonmetallic element with an electron arrangement of 287. And that, of course, is the one that guides us towards knowing that chlorine is in group 7. The fact that it has 7 electrons in the outermost energy level. Chlorine exists as a gas, and this gas exists as a diatomic molecule. So chlorine exists in gaseous form as a diatomic molecule. That is a molecule that is made of 2 atoms. So a diatomic molecule is a molecule that is made of 2 atoms. And that's why we write the formula for chlorine gas as Cl2, showing that it exists as a diatomic molecule, a molecule that is made up of 2 atoms. Naturally, chlorine exists not as a pure element, but combined with other elements. That means it exists naturally as a compound. So it exists naturally in compounds such as sodium chloride, in rock salt, or in seawater. So sodium chloride can either exist as a rock salt that is in solid form, or it can exist as a solution in the seawater. So basically, that's an introduction about chlorine. It's an element that occurs in group 7 of the periodic table. It's an nonmetallic element with an electron arrangement of 287, hence group 7. It exists in gaseous form as a diatomic molecule, which is chlorine gas, Cl2. And then naturally, it occurs in compounds such as sodium chloride. And sodium chloride is mainly in rock salt and sea water.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.